Oh, hi. I didn't know you were here today. Welcome to my garden. I'm E, the Shady Gardener. Today we're going to talk about hybridizing daylilies, which is pretty much breeding flowers. Okay, I don't want to make this too complicated, so I'm going to change this down to this is the pollen on here, so all 6 of these stamen will give them a name of dad. And down in here, this one is mom, and I'll show you over here on this one. This is mom, the piston, and dad, the stamen. You take pollen off of this one and put it on that one, and if it's a tetraploid, it'll produce a seed pod. If it's a diploid, it'll be like this one right here. See how all the blooms are gone and there's no pods on here, so that means that it didn't have a compatible partner to produce a pod to make seed. And then the best time to do this is mid-morning when the pollen is real fluffy and dry. This one, you would have to pull this off and take it to down here, see mom in there. You want to dab it all over it and hope that it crosses and you produce a new one. And not enough pollen on that, or not getting enough off. Let me grab another one. There's a bug already at work in there. Look at that, getting the pollen off of that one. It's probably why we don't have enough pollen to move over, because this guy, he's kind of a green fly looking creature. I don't know his name. He's already at work taking the pollen, and then that little guy back there is at work going down in the hole making a cross. If this is a tetraploid and can self, it will make self-pollinated flowers, and a pod will form and create seed. Okay, this is a yellow daylily, and these are the pods that have already been pollinated. This bloomed early in May, and it either is self-pollinated or a bee or insect brought in pollen from a neighbor. And when this pod dries, I'll be able to collect seed from it, and I need to refrigerate it for at least a month or give it some kind of stratification, and then try growing it or keep it in the fridge all winter, and then try growing it probably December, January. Thank you all for stopping by my garden today. I hope you really enjoyed the show, and we'll come back for more. If you'd like to, give me a thumbs up or subscribe and get notifications over here. I've got other videos on anything from planting potatoes to growing tomatoes in the playlist if you'd like to have a look. And my next videos will be on the mimosa tree and John Parker's grapes. They're doing really well, so I'd like to update them in the next few days. If you stay tuned and subscribed, you'll get notifications. Thank you again for coming by. Sending love and hugs and kisses from Missouri.